What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you this amazing website that is called Shapefest. It has a lot of free stuff in 3D. Here we have a lot of package of free text. Let's take a look at them. So in each package you will get free symbol, numbers and letters, and with each texture. So you have also with the shapes. But the most interesting thing is the latest release by the author Josep Angelo Todaro. That is the hands. Oh, okay. I also see this. That is also very interesting and also very useful because devices, laptops, mouse, keyboard could be very useful to be used in design. Okay, so the more interesting are those hands that you can get them by adding them to cart, and then it pop up this modal where you continue and just have to introduce your mail. So okay, after opening our email, this is what we are going to get. As we can see, the size is 3.3 GB, so this must be a good stuff. So I also checked the other 3D model, the letters and numbers with ghost texture, and it is about 700 MB. So hope it's become useful for you and your project. If you want, you can check my channel for more videos that could be useful for you, and see you in the next video. Bye.